2018 Toyota 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, running boards, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, CD player, trip computer, fog lights, brake assist. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.